Xiaomi POCO X6 Pro, unleash the power of speed. Xiaomi has been dominating the mid-range segment for years, and their POCO sub-brand exemplifies a winning combination of performance, style, and affordability. The POCO X6 Pro embodies this philosophy, poised as a true powerhouse that's designed to surpass expectations in every way. Let's dive into why this device might just be the perfect upgrade for tech enthusiasts seeking a thrill ride within a budget. Uncompromising performance. At the heart of the POCO X6 Pro lies a beast of a processor, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Built for unyielding performance, this chipset effortlessly handles the most demanding games, intensive multitasking, and high-resolution video editing. Combine this with generous amounts of lightning-fast RAM and ample storage options, and you have a device that sets a new standard for mid-range smartphones. Stunning visuals and immersive audio. The POCO X6 Pro captivates with its immersive 6.67-inch AMOLED display boasting a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Colors pop with vibrancy, blacks are inky deep, and the overall experience feels incredibly fluid. Whether you're catching up on the latest blockbuster movies or indulging in mobile gaming sessions, this display delivers pure visual delight. To complement the vibrant imagery, the X6 Pro also features dual stereo speakers. Photography prowess. Gone are the days when mid-range phones meant major compromises in camera quality. The POCO X6 Pro breaks the mold with its versatile triple rear camera system spearheaded by a high-resolution 50MP primary sensor. This camera excels at capturing crisp, detailed shots across a variety of lighting conditions. Whether you're shooting scenic landscapes, portraits with beautiful bokeh, or vibrant night shots, the X6 Pro has you covered. And the fun doesn't stop there. The X6 Pro features a range of creative photography modes, including long exposure, time-lapse, and slow-motion video. These features encourage experimentation and allow you to unleash your inner visual storyteller. Marathon battery life and blazing speeds. With a sizable 5000 mAh battery, the POCO X6 Pro conquers all-day usage, banishing battery anxiety and ensuring you can stay connected or entertained. When it's time to juice up, the included 67W fast charger replenishes the battery in a flash. The total package. The POCO X6 Pro's compelling features don't stop there. It boasts sleek, eye-catching design with an IP53 rating that provides splash and dust resistance, guaranteeing extra peace of mind. Xiaomi's MIUI 14 software overlay, based on Android 14, offers extensive customization and a smooth user experience. For contactless payments and easy connectivity, NFC comes standard on this device. With the addition of an expandable storage option, the X6 Pro offers users the flexibility they crave. The verdict: the POCO X6 Pro is a formidable package that redefines the concept of value in the smartphone arena. So, if you're looking for a phone that checks all the boxes for power users and mobile gamers without requiring you to break the bank, the POCO X6 Pro is undoubtedly worth your serious consideration. If you're intrigued by the POCO X6 Pro, be sure to check out more videos like this one on the playlist or in the recommended video from the description below. There's always something new and exciting to discover in the world of technology.